Hey guys, as you may know that my editing has gone like a lot better. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really good Animal Jam Play World intro. Now because I can't really change the checkers. I'm actually quite getting used to the checkers and I really like it. So basically now we're just gonna put all this green, horrible green. Sure it's careful, otherwise it'll delete your character. So there. Now you probably can't hear the music, but it's actually really cool music. For 25, 24. Yeah, that's pretty clear. Right, so my voice really hurts, so what I'm gonna do now is shake. I'm gonna turn down the frequency down. Then put that on there. There we go. Pretty decent stuff right there. Now let's go on hue. Go on sidey. And then I'll start to change colours. Pause it, go back to the beginning. It's going a bit fast. That's normal because of how short the video is. So that's pretty cool. Now let's do waves. The waves is what makes everything super cool. Now yes. Now yes, this editor is free. You might need to have a go quite a few times to be able to know what's going on. But it's still really cool. Now we need to get this up. Let's turn on the width a bit now. And then we go for rotate. Then we go spin left. Then the motion, we do spin clockwise scaled. But then that looks a bit weird, so we're going to get rid of that. Then it's just this. Oops. And then, yeah. Oh no, stabbish. Get there. There we go. Then, as you'll see, it ends like that. Yes, it will end like that. So, next step, we need to go on to, yeah, it was right this. Yes, I'm still playing. Yes, I'm playing Animal Jam Play World at the same time. And then what we'll do is make that do that. So we're gonna do it. I'm not too sure. Let's not do it for now. And let's only do spin. gonna do spin right so it looks really cool. Then we'll go on that. Do that. Then enough so it actually looks like it's in there. See? Pretty cool stuff. Basically that will be the intro so far. Then I love doing shadows. Pretty cool. But no shadows. So this is the original clip. So this is just a quick run through.